Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'll be making an easy, simple lemon cream cheese cake. And of course, you guys know I do not bake. So I took a little help from the grocery store by using the boxed cake. So let's get into the recipe. These are some of the ingredients that we'll be using today. Remember, just follow the instructions on the back of the package and just substitute as I do in this recipe video. You're gonna need some lemon filling, some condensed milk, some cream cheese, of course the lemon box cake mix. Every single thing here came from Walmart, so yeah, we're gonna get started. I already have my eggs and half of my cream cheese down into a bowl, and you want to mix that up. Make sure your cream cheese is more room temperature than mine was, because it took me a while to get that to break down. Next, you want to add your box cake mix to the bowl, as well as some melted butter. I substituted the melted butter for the oil, or the oil for the melted butter, and I substituted water with orange juice. Y'all, please don't use water in these box mixes. Use soda, water, juice. Use something other than water. So this is what you end up with, and I'm gonna pop it into my greased pan and bake it up. This is what it looks like right here, and then I'm just gonna take my wooden spatula and poke all these holes. Next, we're gonna make the filling. So you want to take your lemon filling and put it in a bowl just like this. A few big tablespoons like I'm doing here. Hindsight, I wish I had put a little less because it ended up being too thick, which you're about to see in just a second. Next, you want to add your condensed milk right down on there. I'm not using the entire can, maybe like half of it, and this right here is what I'm talking about. It was a little too thick, so then I added some more orange juice just to tie it in, since we have the orange juice in the cake, and it was perfect. So next, you want to add the filling right over the cake, and all you're going to do is take an offset spatula and just smear it everywhere, and it's going to go down into the holes just like this. First of all, this lemon stuff smells so good. I don't usually do the lemony in the jar thing, but this smells really, really good. So you want to smear it just like this. Tap, tap, tap on the countertop so it can fall down into the holes even some more. And then you want to pop this into the refrigerator for about an hour or two, just so it can set up. This is what you get right here. And now I'm just going to slice it up and taste it for you guys. To come back to show y'all the filling and the cake real quick. Look at both sides of the square. Like, the cake is so moist, and this cake was so easy, few ingredients, and super cheap to make. I hope somebody makes this recipe and let me know what you think. All right, y'all, I'm about to get into this cake. Ooh, chill. Ooh, it's so moist too because of that cream cheese. Look how moist it is. If you give this to somebody, they'll never know it came out of a box. I'll challenge anybody that make this cake. Your family and friends would not know this came out of a box, period. I can't. It's not overly lemony. It's not overly sweet. Y'all know I wouldn't lie to y'all. I hope y'all give this recipe a try. Look how good that looks. And the lemon and condensed milk mixture seep down in there, as you can see. Hope y'all give it a try, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.